Hi, I'm Katie Nobles.
And I'm disability attorney Michael Leiner.
And you're watching The Bottom Line. Today's topic, can medical marijuana impact my disability case? Michael, this is one that you've actually seen getting sent into our office.
Yeah, and that's where this question comes from. It's something that seems to be coming up more and more and more, especially as a lot more doctors are recommending medical marijuana as a treatment option for their clients, especially here in Ohio. And the most important thing in a disability case is always going to be the medical documentation. And that's the thing that I always want to remind my clients. And adherence to medical treatment. The first caution that I give to people is to remember that still today, marijuana is federally illegal. However, as long as you continue to follow up with medical doctors, you're documenting your symptoms, you have the support of a treating physician who is the one that is, ushering you into medical marijuana. Many of the doctors that are prescribing the medical marijuana are actually providing treatment, and they're providing physical exams and they're documenting symptoms. I don't think that necessarily receiving medical marijuana can be a negative for the case, but everything has to come back to the ultimate question of, are you continuing to treat? Are you continuing to document your symptoms? If you're receiving it because you have epilepsy or because you have a pain condition, whatever it is, just make sure that all of the principles that we've talked about and all of our other content, which is about documenting your functional limitations, is still going into your claim. If you're doing those things, then you can ultimately receive medical marijuana without it having any negative impact on your disability case, Katie.
All right, Michael, thank you so much for answering that question. And as you see, we are answering questions that are getting sent into us. If you have one that you'd like to see answered right here on The Bottom Line, visit our website. That is linerlegal.com.